Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel, aka Nelly B, and in today's wash day video, we're going to be using products from the brand Wonder Curl. Now, the first thing I'm going in with is their clarifying charcoal shampoo bar, and this shampoo bar definitely lives up to the name. It is clarifying, so I would definitely recommend it for those wash days when you have a lot of product buildup to get rid of. As for the scent, it smells faintly like charcoal. There isn't any added scent to it, so if you're not into heavy scents, this works really well. It lathers really easily. I lathered it both in my hands and directly into my hair, and when I rinsed it out, it was squeaky clean. My hair was clean. So I follow that up with their restoring hair treatment, which is pretty much their deep conditioner. Listen, why am I such a clown? This thing has so much slip. I was really amazed at that point. I was like, wow, this thing just glided into my hair like butter. And once I was done applying it to my entire head, I just put my hair up in one and I put my shower cap on. And as for the instructions, I left it on as they instructed for a half an hour. Seriously, why am I this way? Okay, deep conditioner rinsed out, and I'm just gonna take a quick moment and put my hair into some sections so that it's easier to apply the product in my hair. So since I didn't get a leave-in, I'm going in with their sealing hair butter. Only this product is really thick. Like, it's thick. No really major scent, just like the other stuff. And I just coat my hair with the sealing butter. I could tell it's pretty good for actually sealing just based on how thick it is. And I followed that up with their Curl Control Styling Lotion. So it's like a gel, but not quite the same kind of gel consistency. So I went in and I just applied that right on top of the sealing butter. Kind of just worked my way through to make sure that the entire section had the product in it. And once I was done with that, I just put the section into a plait. And that's pretty much what I did with all of the other sections after. So plaits are done. I'm just pretty much going to put on my satin bonnet and I let this set or sit or dry as you want to put it overnight. And we're back in the morning time. I'm running late for work, but I have to style my hair. So I'm just undoing the plaits because I was interested to see how my hair would have felt or looked as I undid them. And while I thought that they were fully dry, which normally happens, to tell you how good that sealant is, my hair still felt damp. And as I took out the plaits, I realized that I did still have some of the white residue from the sealant on my hair. But despite not having any leave-in or like oil in my hair for my regular LOC, my hair actually felt pretty good. It was just the white residue. So I was wondering if my hair would have stayed white like that during the course of the day, or if the residue would have eventually disappeared. Funny enough, by the time I had put my headband in, some of the white residue on my hair did already start to disappear. And by the time I got into the office, the white film or residue that you're seeing on my hair was pretty much gone. Overall, I would definitely recommend the Wonder Curl products. Their shampoo bar, their deep conditioner, all of their products are made with really good ingredients and really do your hair really well. And if you're interested in trying them out, you can get 20% off of your order by joining their mailing list. The link is in the description. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.